Hello everyone, my name is Anil. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to tell about that the Rannana Gada Yuddha. First, I will give some introduction about that Ranna poet. That Ranna poet who lives in the 10th century. His father and mother name was father name is Jeena Vallabha and mother name is Abalabbe. And his main books was, the first book name is Ajita Tirthankara Purana and next book name is Sahasa Bhima Vijaya. And his famous book is Rannana Gada Yuddha. And his main famous book and his famous literature book is Rannana Gada Yuddha. That means Sahasa Bhima Vijaya. I will tell that full story. After 18 days completed of Mahabharata, all Pandavas were come to that Vaishampayana Sarovara. Before completing Mahabharata battle, that Bhishma was said that to Duryodhana, go ahead sit inside the Vaishampayana Sarovara for 1 day. Then after 1 day you come out. Duryodhana, after hearing that Bhishma's order, he was go to Vaishampayana Sarovara and sit in the water. After this, after completed 18 days of Mahabharata, all Pandavas were come to the Vaishampayana Sarovara and tell that come outside of this water and make battle with me. And that Krishna was telling that make battle with 5 people. After you won, I will give all the money and all emperors to you. After that, the Pandavas so talking badly to Duryodhana and irritating badly, and in that Duryodhana and hearing that all that irritating words, and he becomes so angry, and he is angry in that water all animals were dying. After some time, he hearing